This is the F1 wing again. I've made a few changes to it. I put a smaller motor on, or a lighter motor. This is a 2205 2300 kV. I've only got a 1300 3S in there, so I've actually shed about 110 grams of weight. And it started off at 630, so that's going to make a significant difference, I think. Should be able to fly it a bit slower and be a bit more controlled, maybe. It's going to be a lot more docile anyway. It's already flying a lot slower. Can slow it right down. That's really nice now. Still very fast, but a lot less fuss. I think I like this now. That's on about a third throttle at the moment. Just gliding now. That's cool, I like it. I like it more now, it's less brutal. This is cool. Do a fast speed run. Still got some speed. That is still wicked fast, but 110 grams lighter. See how we land now. still lands fast. Nicer launch. Just launching with a bit more speed is a good idea, or more of a throw, of course. And slow it right down. Relatively. See how slow I can fly it. I'm flying at about minimum speed now, I think. Having to hold a bit of back stick, flying slow. Could probably ramp up the throws a bit now that it's flying a bit more docile. So it's very slick. I like it now that I can fly slow. 100 grams lighter made a big difference. Better landings. Very cool. I scooped out a bit of the nose foam so I could get the battery a bit further forward, but I probably don't even need to do that because it was a little bit nose heavy, so it probably could just sit as far forward as it needs to by itself. So this is now a 1300 4S. Let's see what mayhem we can... Still fly it slowly, which is nice. Whoa! CG's gone back a little bit, so it's a little bit more squirrely. That is fast. And nice and controlled too. Lovely. So I think the smaller motor is doing everything the big motor was doing with less weight, much better. Wow, acceleration. Still does that somersault a lot of the time. Really need to land it long.